Question number 5, part 3, exercise 2.4 is x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. Now here also you are to factorize, and here you are to use factor theorem, right? You are to factorize. Also we can't do it with any another way. See, there is nothing common if we make the pairs, so we have to do this using factor theorem. So how to do with the factor theorem? Firstly, we'll check, we will find out the zero of the polynomial. That means we will put any value and we will find out that value of x for which this polynomial is zero. ऐसी वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करेंगे जिसके लिए पॉलिनोमियल जीरो होता हो, right? So here we have given 20, so it means like write down the factors of 20. 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 4 minus 4, 5 minus 5, and 20 minus 20, and 10 also. 10 minus 10. So from these we can choose any number. We can put any number, right? We can choose 1 minus 1 likewise, right? We don't need to put 0 or 3, any other else number. So let's start from 1 first. Let's put here 1. 1 cube plus 13 into 1 square plus 32 into 1 plus 20. And 1 plus 13 plus 32 plus 20. You can see it's not equal to 0. So next we'll put here minus 1. Here we'll put minus 1 now. Minus 1 cube plus 13 into minus 1 square plus 32 into minus 1 plus 20. Then minus 1 plus 13 minus 32 plus 20. Now check, it will be 12 minus 12, which is equal to 0. So yes, now here we find 0. So we can say that x is equal to minus 1 is the 0 of the polynomial, right? यहाँ से हमें एक 0 मिला. So here we can say that x plus 1 is the factor of the polynomial. अगर x is equal to minus 1 0 है polynomial से, means अगर minus 1 put करने पर the value of polynomial is 0, so we can say that here that x plus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial by factor theorem. ये कहते हैं ना कि अगर 0 हो रहा है, what we did there in the factor theorem, if we put x is equal to a and the value of polynomial is 0, then x minus a is factor. If x minus a is factor, then x is equal to a is the 0 of the polynomial. If you remember definition of factor theorem, it was if x minus a is factor, then if you put x is equal to a, you will get the value of polynomial 0. And if you put x is equal to a and you find the value of polynomial 0, then you can say x minus a is factor here, right? So now we will divide it by x plus 1, this polynomial. अब इस polynomial को x plus 1 से divide करेंगे and we will find out the quotient and remainder. So let's divide it now by x plus 1. It is x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20, and you are to divide it by x plus 1 because x plus 1 is the factor of the polynomial. Then this x, and you have to make it as x cube. So you will divide it by, you will multiply it by x square. So you will take here x square. Here you will write down x square because x into x square is x cube. Then plus x square into 1 x square. We'll do it using long division. Then minus, it will be cancelled. What is left here? 12x square. Take down other numbers, other terms. Now we have to make here 12x square. So we'll multiply it by 12x. We'll take in quotient 12x. 12x into x, 12x square plus 12x into 1, 12x. Then subtract. What is left here? 20x plus 20. Now it will go on 20. 20x plus 20. It will be cancelled now. Remainder will be 0. So now here we can write down this dividend as is equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder, and the remainder is 0 here. So we can write down here x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20 is equal to x plus 1 is the factor here into, this is divisor and the quotient is x square plus 12x plus 20. It's already factorized. We will factorize this now, this term. यहाँ पे already power 1 है. It's already factorized. We are to factorize this quadratic polynomial now. So how to solve quadratic polynomial? By splitting the middle term. Open it. X square. How to write down 12x? It's 20 here. So we can write down here. Sum should be 12 and multiply should be 20. We can take here 10 and 2 plus 10x. Yes, 10 into 2. 10x plus 2x plus 20. Now make the pairs here. X into x plus 10 plus 2 into x plus 10, x plus 1, x plus 10 common. What is left here? X plus 2. So these are the factor of the given polynomial. The next part is of this question 5, 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. If you see here, it can be solved directly also if you make the pairs, right? 2y if you take common, sorry, if you take common here, y square, you will get here 2y plus 1, right? If you take minus common here, minus 1, then you get 2y plus 1 inside. Then 2y plus 1 common, and what is left inside? Y square minus 1. Then you can open y square minus 1 as y plus 1, y minus 1. This kind of, this same question you have done in class 8 also. This method is also right to find, to factorize, but if we are to factorize using factorization, no, factor theorem, then we have to use another method, right? So let's start it with the factor theorem. The expression we have given is 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. So here we have given 1 and 2. Coefficient of y cube, here the constant is 2, coefficient is 2, here the constant term is minus 1. So that is, we have minus 2 if we multiply this. So here the zeros of the polynomial will be, factors ले लो 2 के, 1 minus 1 2 minus 2. मतलब हम इनमें से पुट करेंगे वैल्यू, राइट? अगर यहाँ पर 2 नहीं होता, सिर्फ 1 होता, तो 1 minus 1 में से पुट करते. यहाँ पर 2 है, we'll take this also. So 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Now we'll put 1 minus 1 2 minus 2. इनमें से start करेंगे. We don't need to take any other number other than that. So let's try 1 first of all. 2 into 1 cube plus 1 square minus 2 minus 1. 2 plus 1 minus 2 minus 1, 0, right? It's 0. So we can say x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, sorry, is the zero of the polynomial. So we can say y minus 1 is the factor of the polynomial according to the factor theorem. So here we'll divide the polynomial by y minus 1. 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. Right? So firstly y and 2y cube. How to make it 2y cube? By multiplying by 2y square. 2y square into y, 2y cube. 2y square into minus 1, minus 2y square. Minus plus. Cancel. 3y square minus 2y minus 1. Then y, here 3y square. We will take here plus 3y. Plus 3y into y, 3y square. Then 3y into minus 1, minus 3y. Plus, change the sign, cancel what is left here, 1y minus 1. Now it will go on 1 and the remainder will be 0 now, right? So we can write down 2y cube the factor is here 2y square plus 3y plus 1. 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1 is equal to y minus 1. So now here we will factorize it. Y minus 1 into मल्टीप्लाई करने पर 2 into 1 2 होना चाहिए, प्लस करने पर 3, so it will be 2 plus 1. 2y square plus 2y plus 1y plus 1. Now we can factorize it easily. Y minus 1 into, we will take 2 common here, 2y. What is left inside? Y plus 1. 1 common, y plus 1. So what are the factors here? Y minus 1, y plus 1 and 2y plus 1. These three are the factors of the given polynomial.